I'm so excited to be here. Jamaica vacation mode is on. We're Diana and Chad, soon-to-be empty nesters that love new places and new adventures.
Whoa.
But with full-time careers and only so much time off, it isn't always easy.
Oh my gosh.
Being that mine is in education, spring break is at one time in the midst of a long Minnesota winter, we know I will sure have time off and look forward to getting away. But with any travel, things don't always go as planned.
Good morning from the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport. So it feels like every year when spring break comes around in Minnesota, there is a winter storm forecasted. Last year, there was 12 inches of snow that fell the night before our flight to Aruba.
Oh my God.
We were here listening to cancellation after cancellation, but somehow we were lucky enough to take off. This year, they were forecasting 2 systems. First one came through Thursday night, which left 4 inches of snow, and the second one is forecasted for tonight with up to 12 inches of snow. When we heard that earlier in the week, we decided, let's change our flight from Sunday morning to Saturday morning. All right, I think our flight's ready to board.
Thank you. Thank you. It's about time.
Welcome aboard.
4 hours, 13 minutes and round down to Montego Bay. So back relax, we'll talk to you about the weather.
That's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Montego Bay.
Due to the impending weather in Minnesota, we came to Jamaica a night early and we are staying at an Airbnb on the Strip.
Our room is right there. The Hip Strip has a bunch of hotels and shops. We're just gonna spend some time walking around, check it out, see if we can find some food and drink. We tried to go to Margaritaville, but turns out it is permanently closed.
Margaritaville in Montego Bay, St. James has been temporarily closed due to ferocious waves which battered the popular attraction.
There is nothing there. So now we're walking the Hip Strip to see what else we can find to eat.
What there is no shortage of here on the Hip Strip is people offering you weed.
You don't want some ganja? You forgot taxi rides too.
Oh yeah, weed and taxi rides are a hot commodity here on the Hip Strip. Where are we eating?
We're right back to where we're staying.
5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I don't even know how to drink this. One love. It's so pretty. Look at how cute this cucumber is.
I don't know what's what. Oh my god, I love plantains.
We just had dinner at Usain Bolt's track and record cuisine restaurant. Thankfully, we found that place. I think both of us are a little on the hangry side. What? This hip strip is not exactly what we were thinking it was going to be, but we are grateful to be here in Jamaica and not at home where they're predicted to get 12 inches of snow. And I think we just bought the most expensive coffee ever.
$65.
We're gonna title this episode the one where Diana almost got ran over because traffic goes different directions and I was looking left thinking that that's the way the traffic was gonna come and I stepped out into the street, no joke, and the car was like, slamming on the brakes. Yeah.
Came from the opposite direction.
I'm ready for the Rio Palace tomorrow where I don't have to worry about anything, especially traffic.
For dinner, I got the jerk platter, which included both the pork and the chicken, and let me tell you, it was amazing. It was very spicy. I loved it. Didn't want to offer me the ganja on camera.
Oh, funny, he was going to.
I thought I could get that recorded, but nope.
And we are going to go sit on our balcony and just relax. I think both of us are tired. Also, this is like a little bit like South Beach-ish and a smaller vibe, like where you're like uncomfortable or like.
We're gonna give you a quick tour,
My voice is sure doing goofy things lately. By Friday, my voice is gonna be just swell.
on the way up to our room, and then give you a tour of our room.
Oh, it's gonna be a pretty short tour. First, we have to get through security, and I can smell the weed fuming out of the lobby already. They must have known that we were both like in pretty physically fit condition because they put us all the way at the top. Here come the stairs. 567, 568, and then this disaster. Made it to the top, but check out the view. Sunset. Okay, get out there. Quick, quick, quick. We're gonna do a tour in a second.
The view from our balcony tonight.
Welcome to room 18. So we have this, which is our bed. I haven't even done this, I have no idea. Oh, you just don't do that, that hurt my back. Like, it's not soft. It's, yeah, all right, good. That's gonna be a pretty good night's sleep. Yay, that's a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. Bathroom, oh, step up. Which, by the way, did not have any shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So your $118 bottles of White Rain so I can wash my hair tomorrow morning. The best part is the balcony. Oh, minus the horns.
So we found this unit on Airbnb. What a beautiful view.
From the Hip Strip in Montego Bay, Jamaica. We had a pretty decent night's sleep last night. This place is loud all night long. It was insane. This morning we took a walk down to Harmony Beach Park, which we figure must be a cruise ship excursion because it is absolutely pristine. We are going to head downstairs, check out a few of the little shops before we call our taxi to go to the Rio Palace, our all-inclusive resort, which I am so ready for.
I did want to mention that both Diana and I have some wounds from going down those spiral steps. This is how we scrape the back of our legs.
Yeah, I like it, and it's got the colors.
Hi. There is no shortage of things in green, yellow, and red.
Need some hydration.
Grab some jerk seasoning. Give it a try at home.
Sure.
sure. I want to find a sticker.
It's my blow dryer. Souvenir shopping here on Hip Strip is a little... They're hustling.
They are. We're definitely getting all kinds of deals. Good old-fashioned American pricing.
Suckers.
Yup. We're done shopping here on the Hip Strip. It's time to try to get our suitcases down those steps and head to our all-inclusive. This is where we're going to call it an end to this video, and we will see you guys in a few days when we give you a tour around Rio Palace.
Come on, buddy. It's tight. Oh, God. Thankfully, I didn't have to sit on it.
Oh, friend.
It's no problem. Welcome. I'm so excited.
There wasn't quite as much snow as forecasted, and we didn't quite escape a blizzard, but what we did get is an extra day at this beautiful Rio Palace Montego Bay Resort. It takes about 2 minutes for it to get out.